Tubz explosive.
Rough up for, fuck up the heart. Young G living like a drug lord. One side.
Rough up foreign, fuck up yard.
Young G living like a drug lord.
Like me bad bitch, so they hang up on my gun broad.
Young G living like a drug lord.
Every thug yard, Young G living like a drug lord.
Drug lord.
Whole heap of millions for my first yard.
Young G living like a drug lord.
Take the chances, yeah, me take miss. Load my gun, keep it close, cause me not take this. One tap the lead slip, so I flip the thing back. Had a bad trick, so much motherfucking Rolex, me need a next wrist. When me do, have them best bitch watching Netflix. When me do, brassy metrics, smaddy death wish. Make a food but I know everybody get rich. Roll out on the guest list, Gucci fresh kicks. See me son a best gift, never selfish. Him have to live like a rock star. What do Elvis? Turn it up another level, the devil where Elvis. Half a rich, me tell my mother, no worry, me tell sis. Hey, try you give me everything, I fi defend this. So me rough up foreign, fuck up the heart.
Young G living like a drug lord.
Like me bad bitch, so the angle on my gun broad.
Young G living like a drug lord.
Every thug yard, Young G living like a drug lord. Whole heap of millions to my first yard.
Young G living like a drug lord.
Man a heavyweight a pro. Watch your paper flow, watch your chain a glow, watch your hater grow. Me see the snake a show, pussy them pace so slow. Have it up on my waist, stomp in a face, no throw. Man a beat the door, high grade a blow. Girl you no shame me know, give me the brain go low. Link stuff in a yard, same way the snow. Poverty a me enemy, I'ma slay the foe. Stack the bread, double it, bury some, shovel it. Bust a boy head, run him down in a public. Girl them a bubble it, hard fuck, don't cuddle it. Any girl take me love her, God go with it. Rough up for it, fuck up yard.
Young G living like a drug lord.
Like me bad bitch, so the angle on my gun broad.
Young G living like a drug lord.
Every thug yard, Young G living like a drug lord. Whole heap of millions for my first yard. Them think the street are dunce. Blood clot hype with piece of funds. 100 mil before me 30 at the speaker bunks. Crips a pop, high grade a feature lungs. Whole heap of killer there with whole heap of guns. We shake the place like when Shaquille down. President like Barack, watch the green a Trump. Motivate the youths, them away asleep or dumb. With them bank book flat out, it need a pump. Man live this for real where them feel a stunt. Young skullmatic pan waist rifle in a trunk. One side we no broke, we no punk. I saw she stupid when she see the killer, she no drunk. Me gal them a straight Eddie G no flunk. I saw me squeeze my matic like me squeeze your front. She fuck for money and meals we bring in a month, so do the maths. Rough up foreign, fuck up yard. We come fuck up your yard.
Fuck up your yard. Young G living like a drug lord.
Like me bad bitch, so they hang up on my gun broad.
Young G living like a drug lord.
Every thug yard.
Young G living like a drug lord.
Tubz exclusive, TipTop shit go on.